We'll start out with the only real flaw on this 2007 Road King, some pitting on the lower part of the forks. You can see already, previous owner added some ape hangers. It's a 2007 Road King Firefighter Special Edition, hence the special color. Quick detach windshield, mirrors under the grips because of the tall handlebars. Previous owner also added on each side little leather pouches in front of the saddlebags. Everything still works perfectly on this bike. Under 17,000 miles. I'll play some Vance and Hines here. Whoop. Got to do that first, don't we? Love it when these bikes sound as good as they look. Also a rider backrest, passenger backrest, luggage rack, and all the docking hardware necessary to hold everything in place. Vance and Hines logo there. The bike is ready 7 days a week for you to check it out. It's here on consignment and extremely beautiful. 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.